Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. I am Asavari, and in today's video we will write our first Arduino program, Hello World, using serial monitor in Arduino IDE. Programming is done using Arduino IDE where we write our code in C++. This code is then uploaded to the Arduino board which then controls electronic components like LEDs, sensors and motors. Let's see how to write a program. Every Arduino program consists of two main functions, that is first setup function and then loop function. First we will see setup function. This function runs at one time when board is powered on or when we reset our Arduino board. We use it to set up pin modes, initialize sensors and configure communication settings. Now we will see the loop function. This function runs continuously. We write our main logic of program here. Now let's write our first Arduino program that prints hello world on serial monitor. Let's write. And we have written our first program, that is hello world. It prints hello world on the serial monitor. It helps us to understand how to display messages from Arduino board to our computer. Let's understand what we written in the setup function. This is serial.begin and 9600 is a baud rate. It initializes serial communication at 9600 baud rate. Baud rate defines the speed of communication between Arduino and computer, and 9600 baud rate is commonly used baud rate for most of the Arduino projects. Then we will see serial.println. This command prints hello world to the serial monitor. Println means print line. It prints the text and move to the new line. Let's upload the code to the Arduino board and open serial monitor. And see serial monitor. Hello world is printed on the screen. And there you have it. We have successfully written our first Arduino program and explored how setup and loop works, and even experienced with serial communication to print hello world on the serial monitor. This is just the beginning of our Arduino journey. Now that you understand how to write and upload the basic program, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.